Okay guys, I'm just going to make a follow-up video to my defective Runcam. As you can still see, it's brand new. I've been playing with it after I found that it wouldn't charge or wouldn't turn on using the battery. What I found was, if you put the battery into the camera with the camera right side up, it doesn't always lock in properly and the camera won't turn on. But if you flip the camera upside down and push the battery in, the battery seats in solidly and the camera will turn on. I'll do it one more time, right side up. Battery's pushed in all the way and it won't turn on. Well, it tried to turn on, but obviously it's not seated properly. Pull the battery out, turn the camera upside down, locks in properly. Now the camera will turn on. What I think is going on is there's a fitment issue, that the battery is not seated tight into the frame of the camera. So what I'm going to do is put a thin piece of tape on the battery to make the battery slightly thicker. And try one more time, right side up. I can feel there's a more drag on the battery now. And now the battery seats properly and the camera turns on. Well, there you go, a quick fix. Hope it works for you guys. Let me know in the comments.